C. Dash a movie last night. Watched. When we see time expressions like yesterday, last night, last week, or 2 days ago, they show that the action happened in the past. To talk about a finished action in the past, we use the simple past tense. The simple past tense form of watch is watched. The simple past form of watch is watched. So, the correct sentence is she watched a movie last night. They dash breakfast early. Ate. In this sentence, the action of eating breakfast already happened in the past. So, we need to use the past tense of the verb eat. It becomes ate. So, the correct sentence is they ate breakfast early. I dash my homework. Finished. In this sentence, the homework is already completed in the past. So, the correct sentence is I finished my homework. We dashed to the beach yesterday. Went. The word yesterday tells us the action happened in the past. So, we need the simple past tense of the verb go. We went to the beach yesterday. He dashed football after school. Played. He played football after school. She dashed her friend a letter. Wrote. She wrote her friend a letter. We dashed a new car last year. Bought. We bought a new car last year. Did he dash the bus on time? Catch. The question starts with did, which means it is in the simple past tense. When we use did, the main verb must stay in the original form. So, we say, did he catch the bus on time? The cat dashed on the sofa. Slept. The cat slept on the sofa. I dash my keys. Lost. I lost my keys. She dash very tired yesterday. Felt. She felt very tired yesterday. He dashed the ball very far. He threw the ball very far. I dash a sandwich for lunch. Made. I made a sandwich for lunch. She dashed the cookies herself. Baked. She baked the cookies herself. She dashed a beautiful picture. drew. She drew a beautiful picture. He dashed beside the river. Sat. He sat beside the river. We dashed the broken chair. Fixed. We fixed the broken chair. They dashed in the long line. Stood. They stood in the long line. I dashed my friend at the park. Met. I met my friend at the park. We dashed the train at the station. Waited. We waited the train at the station.